My name is Stewart. I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. Today is September 6th, and I am repairing a summer damaged lawn. So I double aerated this thing, put on seed, put on my golf course quality fertilizer, and then I put on a bag of soil amendment and a little bit of lime. I'm going to come back about a month's time, take a look at this lawn and just see how it's doing. Once again, this is Stewart, Aerating Thatching Company, LawnTuneUps.com. Hey, thank you for watching the video. Bye-bye. Hello, today is October 7th. And this is Stewart, Aerating and Thatching Company. Just checking out a lawn that I had just done a repair on here about a month ago. And I was just coming back to see the results of my work. I had aerated, seeded, fertilized, put some lime on here and some soil amendment, and I was just checking out the results. I'm happy with them. Once again, this is Stewart, LawnTuneUps.com. Thank you.